Contestant number 4 from Abbotsford, British Columbia, Valley Echoes Chorus. Woo! And it's opening, opening, opening.
When true lovers meet in Mayfair, so the legends tell. Songbirds sing, winter turns to spring. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. No such enchantment can be, for it happened one evening to me that certain night.
We kind of had a bit of a, for me, we had a bit of a mess in it.
Oh, yeah,
Papers are all messed up from earlier. Sorry, my papers are all messed up from earlier.
That's okay.
Talk amongst yourselves.
Lisa says hi.
Hi, Lisa. To me, maybe?
We used to be part of Crackle.
Yeah, she used to be part of our group.
Yeah, we just get together, eat movies, and watch junk food and talk about music.
Oh, and get
You did 4 bars. You did 4 bars.
Well, if you drink enough juice,
Oh gosh, never juice again. Never.
Can we start at every winding, please?
Every winding street. Every winding street in Mayfair falls beneath the spell. No such enchantment can be, for it happened one evening to me that certain night, the night we met. There was magic abroad in the air. There were angels.
Please, I'm going to direct you in there. You said that and said that. So who did it?
I did.
No coming in there, girl.
I did it. No.
You're not a lead.
Very Karen.
I was getting into the song and trying to sing between the songs.
Start from that certain night.
That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. In Berkeley Square.
We do that in square and Barclay Square again. In Barclay Square.
In Berkeley.
I could come in at
And stop. There were angels. Just start there.
There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. In Berkeley Square, this heart of mine beat loud and
until I cut you off. So start from, we were dancing.
We were dancing cheek.
Tenors more. All of you. I want 500 tenors coming from you. Yes, okay. 4.
We were dancing cheek to cheek, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon.
Everybody has to say 4 at the same time. Instruction to move.
The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know that we were so in love when the whole darn world seemed upside down? The streets of town were paved with stars.
We really, the streets of town were paved with stars. Can we really do it?
Yeah, but somebody else was up, but we're gonna, I know, I just.
Paved with stars. The baritones are going up. Everybody else is going up. Paved with stars. There's the lead line. Sorry, that's my fault.
That's okay. It's all right.
The streets of town.
What do you want to be? Big mark? A, honey?
Did we change?
Yeah.
Those streets of, those streets.
No, it's back to, it's back to, yeah.
Okay.
Those streets is in the old key
Yes.
system.
Yeah.
The streets of town were paved with stars.
We retreat, make stars, big stars.
Stars.
Very good, I want more.
Stars.
Dinner, I want more.
Stars.
Did you hear that? Okay, come listen. Please.
Are you okay, Susan?
Yeah.
The streets of town. The streets of town.
The streets of town were paved with stars.
Sounds much better, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very happy with that. The streets of town.
The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair as we kissed and said good night. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met. When a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
Remember, it's square. Yeah, square, you know?
Square.
You gotta move one in my hand, go right in my hand. The move is, right.
We're doing a duet over here.
Square. Square. Huh? Square?
Square.
Second move, so let's move. First move.
Square.
Again. What's wrong? All right, base to spaces.
Square.
Here we go, bases.
Square.
Okay, baritones.
Good job.
Okay, and here we go. Bases, baritones. Baritones. So when I go, you go. If I go faster, you go faster. Follow my hands. All right, tenors and leads in, please. Everybody in. Just make sure you have your right. We won't run it anymore. How does this feel? You want to run it as a full song?
No.
Everybody's saying no. That's hilarious. I will put up what we've worked on so you can look at it at home. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I won't do the full recording then for this evening.